We've implemented a new form of list view. This is ideal for people who maybe don't want to follow along with video, or maybe you feel like you need a little bit more time to examine the movements before you perform them. So the list view, as opposed to you having to just follow along, is more of a go at your own pace type of setup. So on any workout, come down and click on list view. Select the day of the week that the day of the workout plan that you're on. And what you'll see here is this is just the entire workout, like it's written out and how to do it in order. So you would do this, right? And you can press the video and follow along.
World's greatest stretch.
So you can press the video and follow along if you want to. Or if you know what to do, you can just do it. When you get down to the workout itself, for example, you'll see it. For example, it says alternating cleans, squat jumps, crawling. So you could just do these on your own if you like. Again, the video is here in case you have questions. There is text under the video that explains how to do it. We are currently adding more of this. This is obviously a very rudimentary sample, but there will be text, and then you can play the video.
Alternating dumbbell cleans.
So if you want to listen to the tutorial, you can do it as well. So in this example, after doing alternating dumbbell cleans, you would then move on to squat jumps. You would then move on to crawling, and then you would come back and do more alternating cleans. On each of these, you can also log what you did. So you can say, I did 25 reps, I used 35 pounds, log it. You can also add a note if you wanted to, so that you can refer to that next time, and these will all save in your logs. So as you move down the workout, again, you can just log the reps and the weights used every single time. This would be the example of the second set, and you can log it here as well. When you're done with the workout, you can see you would just mark it as completed right here. And that way when you come back, you'll automatically go to the next day. You can see it has checked these off. And then if you want, you can check this workout in the workout log. If you want to see what you did last time, the workout logs are here. It'll load here in just a second. You can see here's the workout we just did.